Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zaria McQueen, and today's video will be all about this beautiful wig that I have on right now. I'm serving you life, I'm serving you Cleopatra, I'm serving you Foxy Cleopatra, I'm serving it all. I'm serving it all. And guess what? This wig is synthetic. This is the Brie wig from Outre Quick Weave, their complete cap. And I got this courtesy of divatress.com. If you have not heard of Divatress is like the holy grail, the land of wigs. You could get lace fronts, you could get half wigs, full wigs, synthetic, Remy. You can even get bundles on there too. They have it all, honey. So make sure you're going to check them out. So yes, this wig is courtesy of them. And I did receive a bunch of other beautiful wigs that I cannot wait to show you. I'm basically going to try to introduce it as a, you know, synthetic series, because I know that a lot of you guys may not want to, you know, spend mad money like on, you know, virgin units, but you can definitely go ahead and pick you up some synthetic units. They do the same thing, they get the job done. They're super affordable and super convenient because you could just switch them up as you go. So yeah, this is the Brie wig. It is in the color 2, and yes, it is synthetic. And yes, it has one comb right here, has a comb in the back and an adjustable strap. But honestly, I did not have to mess with any of that with this wig. I didn't have to adjust the adjustable straps at all. All I did was put it on and secure the combs, and my wig feels pretty snug. I would say that this hair is a 14, maybe like between a 12 and a 14, maybe a 13, because it's not super long and it's not super short either. It's not on my shoulders, so I give you a 14, you know. And I'm pretty short too, so it hits me a little, you know, low, you know. So it's right here, not to my bra strap or anything, but it's right there. It's not a bad length. I definitely like this wig, first of all, because I love bangs. And what I did like about this unit is that the cut was perfect. Sometimes you get wigs that, you know, they either cut the bang like crooked or something's uneven. But with this, you do not have to worry about it. Everything comes right, perfect, intact. And yeah, I love the cut. I love that it's not, you know, I like that it's like a blunt cut, and yeah, like it's just perfect basically. So as I did mention, this hair is synthetic, so you might think it might have too much shine, but honestly to me it is not that shiny at all. It doesn't look shiny to the point where it looks synthetic. It has a nice natural luster, which I like. So yeah, you won't have a problem with that, with the luster. And if you do, you can always just put some baby powder in your hair, run it through your unit, and you're good to go. So yeah, the only thing that I would say might be an issue, give or take or whatever, is that it has rinks in it, because it is synthetic, you know. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but can you see that, the texture? But besides that, like, this hair is really soft, and I do not have, like, shedding is not an issue. It's not tangling or nothing like that. But I definitely will make sure to keep you guys updated, you know, just to see how this hair progresses. And yeah, I really like that it's, you know, you just really throw it on. Quick weave is a great, you know, just throw it on, you're good to go, especially since it has bangs. And you know, I did pull it down a little lower so that's right on my eyes, because I like that look. But yeah, y'all, this is the Brie units. Okay, Brie, get into her with her natural luster. She's not too shiny, she's not too dull, and she looks good. You just put it on and go. This is seriously the hair straight out the package, brushed it, adjusted it, and we good to go. So get you a Brie, y'all. So I'm feeling her. Are you feeling her? Because I am. So make sure you check out Divatress. I will have the exact link down below, so you can click it, go straight to the wig. You can also go out and check Divatress, because they do have a lot of different options. They are serving you realness no matter where you go. Okay? Okay. If you do have any more questions in regards to this unit, make sure you go and comment down below and let me know. And be sure to check the description box. I know I say it all the time, but seriously, y'all, check the description box. And I will see you in my next video.